Hi guys, my name is Megan Buckley, and today I will be doing Module 3 discussion, selecting a channel to communicate my message. So there are two types of communication, face-to-face and virtual. For face-to-face communication, body language is very important, whether you're talking to a more professional setting like your business or your professors. It's important to remain professional and formal. Have your appearance be professional, and maintaining eye contact is also an important to have for face to face. For virtual, it's important to have a quick response time for whether you're talking to your professors or your boss. Email them right away, make sure you stay on top of it. For more informal communication, you can use emojis, whether you're texting your friends or your family. Email and video calls are also in the virtual communication. If you're writing an email, you would want to use proper headings, have great punctuation, and punctuation is important to show emotion. So if you're excited about something, use an exclamation point, or if you're more serious, make sure to use periods. For tones, there's formal and informal. So you probably already know for formal you want to do, if you're talking to your boss or your professors, you want to have a more formal tone. And your resumes or proposals and emails are also all forms of formal. Informal is if you're talking to your family or friends, close coworkers, and usually use informal tone whether when you text and if you like direct message on Instagram. Texting is very informal, whereas emails and actual writing proposals is way more formal. So for my communication channel, I put everything together, and I used both types of communication, formal and informal, but they have different tones. So for school, it's a more formal tone. When I'm talking to my professors, if I go in for office hours, I want to make sure my appearance is professional. I want them to respect me. Same with my boss. I will type in emails instead of texting. I'll participate in Canvas and Zoom calls, and I will make sure my writing style is very professional and includes the correct punctuation. For my work, it's also formal. I will usually be writing emails, being in phone calls, and participating in Zoom meetings. When I go to conferences, my appearance is professional. Pretty much everything is more formal. And whether when I'm talking to my family and friends, it is going to be informal. I'm going to iMessage them. I'm going to use emojis, FaceTime instead of Zoom, and I will be communicating with them in social media, which is way more casual than an email or writing a business proposal. So, thanks for watching.